Hello everyone, I'm so excited to see you here today. Today I'm having a very excited video. Today we're having a very excited unboxing video. I've got a beautiful ring from an amazing jewelry company which is called Sayabling. I will at the website link down below. They're having the most beautiful pieces and I'm so excited to unpack one with you today. I've got this beautiful box with Valentine's Day coming very soon. This is such a beautiful little gift. It arrived in this beautiful bag. And I'm so excited to unbox it with you today. They're having the most beautiful jewelry pieces. I will share the website link for you down below. Everything truly looked so gorgeous. So I thought it would be so excited to unpack this beautiful jewelry piece with you today. Oh, it's so beautifully packed in. I am so excited to unpack it with you. I also got a very special discount code for you, which I will link for you down below. I just love the packaging. It's so beautiful. It looks so luxurious and so gorgeous. It comes in this beautiful box and it looks very classy and very elegant. I just love it so much. I also love the navy blue color and the gold and the beautiful ribbon. It looks so gorgeous and I'm so excited to open it with you today. When I was scrolling through their website, everything looked so gorgeous. They had such an amazing, you had so many choices that you could pick from. Everything truly looked so gorgeous and so elegant and so classy. I will share the website link for you down below. It calls Sayabling. We've got a little card which says shine as you are. They're also sharing their website, their Facebook and their Instagram. Such a cute little detail. I just love it so much. Then we're having this beautiful card which is so adorable with the little florals. I think it looks so pretty. And it says how you can take care of your jewelry and how to maintain its sparkle and shine. I think that's such a cute little detail. I just love this so much. Such a cute little card. I'm so excited. There's also a cute little card in here. Which says every day is a great start with a little flamingo. It's so adorable. It comes in this beautiful box. I'm going to open the paper. It's so beautiful. I just love this little box. It says Sayabling, come shine as you are. So so excited to open it with you today. It's so beautifully wrapped in with the box and the gorgeous jewelry box in the middle, which says Sayabling, shine as you are. I think it's so pretty and I think it's so beautifully wrapped in. So we're going to open it together. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. This is one of the most beautiful rings I've ever seen. It's gorgeous. It's like this beautiful little diamonds. It's even like, if I take it out, you can see that is like a two-piece. The first ring that you have is this beautiful silver colored ring with all of these gorgeous little diamonds, which is so pretty. I just love all these diamonds. They truly look so gorgeous, and all the diamonds go around, and yeah, it's so pretty and so sparkly. I just love it so much. And then you wear this together, and then you have the main ring, which is so gorgeous. This is honestly the most beautiful ring I've ever seen. It's truly so, it's breathtaking. It has these gorgeous diamonds on the sides. Just like this little ring, it has this beautiful sparkly diamonds on the sides. Then you have this gorgeous, it's almost like a dewdrop, like a water drop, is how I like to describe it. It's so gorgeous, and it has all these gorgeous silver diamonds around, and then in the middle it has this beautiful baby pink diamonds, which is so gorgeous, and then it has this beautiful big diamonds, pear-shaped diamonds in the middle. It's so gorgeous. I just love it so much. This is honestly the most beautiful ring I've ever seen. Oh, it's breathtaking. I just love all the diamonds, and I love the pink around. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's put it on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is how it looks. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is how it looks. This is honestly the most beautiful ring I've ever seen. It's so sparkly and it's so pretty, and I love all the diamonds around, and I love the pink diamonds and the beautiful gorgeous pear-shaped diamond in the middle. It really reminds me of like a dewdrop. It's stunning. It's so gorgeous. I love the size of this ring. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love that it's like two rings. So you have this gorgeous band. You can also wear it on this side, which I think is really pretty as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that you can wear it like on both sides. I really like this side as well, to wear it like this. I think this ring is so beautifully made, and I love the size. It's just so gorgeous. So I got this beautiful ring from Sayabling. I will share the website for you down below. They're having the most beautiful jewelry pieces. And yeah, this ring is absolutely breathtaking. It's so gorgeous. It's the most beautiful ring I've ever seen. I I'm so in love with this ring. It's so beautifully made. I love all the diamonds and I love the shape of this ring. It's just so gorgeous. It's truly breathtaking. I will share the website link for you down below. I also have a little discount code which I will share for you down below as well. Especially with Valentine's Day coming up, this is the perfect gift. I also thought it would be so fun. This is such a beautiful packaging, but I thought especially for Valentine's Day I got this gorgeous heart-shaped ring box with a beautiful little rose, and I thought we can maybe put the ring in there to see how beautifully it looks. I think especially for Valentine's Day, that's such a cute little gift. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, it's so pretty. I think this ring would look so beautiful in this ring box. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so beautiful. Such an adorable little gift. I just love the heart shape and the little flowers. I think it's such a cute little detail. So this is such a cute little Valentine's gift idea. I think it looks so beautiful. I just love the packaging. It's so gorgeous, and I think this is such a cute little touch to display your ring in here as well, especially for Valentine's Day coming up. I think it's such a cute little detail. And I think the ring looks so beautiful in here as well, just as beautiful as it looks in the Sayabling ring box. Oh, it's so pretty. I want to wear it and never take it off again because it's truly so gorgeous. I will share all the website details for you down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!